Hey everyone, Joana here. Welcome back to my channel. I have a 10-minute body focus workout for you. You're gonna love this one. And I just got my new sets from Fabletics and I'm really excited to share them with you. As you know, I'm a huge fan of the brand. I absolutely love the quality, the material they're using, and of course, the super flattering designs. Okay, as you can see, I'm already wearing the first outfit. This is a really honest review of the brand. So, this is the first outfit I got this time. So actually, this is the Katerina mock neck half zip pullover. Super soft, super comfortable, very good for the chilly days here in Scotland. So I really like the length of the pullover. So I'm not into that super crop tops, crop jackets or whatever. I really like this length. If it was longer, I think it's not gonna be so flattering. So this length, perfect for me, super soft. I like the long sleeves, but the leggings, absolutely my favorite material for leggings. I like that they're 7/8 length. One of the things I like about Fabletics, and also of course they're high-waisted. This is the first pair of leggings I got that has adjustable waistband, so you can actually adjust this. It's super good. And please notice the design. How cool is that twist? Okay, it starts here and it's just twisting to the back. And the pockets, when I go running, it's 2 times a year in the summer. But it's super cool because I am putting my phone here, my keys here, and I'm ready to run the world. So, what about? Do you like this? The leggings are actually mid-rise ultra cool shine panel 7/8. All my outfits are size XS or 4 in the UK. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's try the next one. And there we go. Oasis High. These leggings are the best. Oh my god, so flattering and fitting and holding everything in place. I absolutely love them. This is my favorite type of leggings. And of course, the pockets as well. High-waisted. The color is so dreamy. I'm not into shorter tops, but this one is just perfect. And especially with these leggings, which are super high-waisted, it's awesome. Great combo. Okay, let's try the next one. Okay, oh my god, I think I have a new favorite all-time set. This is super comfortable, super supportive. The bra is Ella High Impact Sports Bra in black, XS size. Please see that super cool twist at the back. Oh, super supportive, love this. And the leggings, they're amazing. Okay, these super cool dots, high waist, full length. The material is amazing. Super comfortable, super supportive, and super fashionable, right? Let's try the next one. Ta-da-da-dam! This is the Oasis High Twist. So, as you probably know, I already have this bra in 2 different colors, but this is truly one of my favorite. I super love the hole here, and I think it's super flattering and supportive at the same time. What about the leggings? Of course, high-waisted, I like the hole here, the twist, super cool, super supportive. The color is absolutely amazing. I really like matching colors, and to be honest, I probably prefer just one color. Yeah, amazing. Can't wait to crush all my workouts wearing these. And let's try the last one. And this is the last outfit for the day. Fiesta, high-waisted, scoop knitted, with pockets, full length, super comfortable, super supportive, great fit. Yeah, the coolest thing in this outfit is that actually the bra is double-sided. This is the other thing I absolutely love about Fabletics, because some of their bras are double-sided, so you can wear it two ways. Yeah, okay, so this is the other print of the bra, but I really like to be one color. Let's do this. Super comfortable. I'm gonna stay with this outfit. I'm gonna use ankle weights for this booty focused workout. I really hope you enjoy my YouTube Fabletics haul. This is my first one, but if you like it, please leave me a comment and I will do more for you. Now, time for a workout. Grab your ankle weights. I have new ankle weights, 4 kilo each. So this is gonna be 10 intense minutes. Heavy workout for the booty. It's just 10 minutes. We can do this. Okay. Ankle weights on. Great. So, we're gonna be standing in most of the time. We have few exercises. We'll be doing 20 reps of each one. Okay, are you ready? I hope you're warmed, because there's no warm-up or cool-down included here in this routine, so please make sure you're doing this on your own. Otherwise, let's get started. The first exercise is actually, I'm going to use the pad for support. It's a minimal space workout with ankle weights focusing on the booty. The first move is simple. Straight leg raises back. Squeeze your booty, engage your booty, keep your back straight. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Switch, 20 reps the other leg. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Holy moly. Switching legs again. We're doing hamstring curl. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, switch. and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, brilliant. Now we are doing the grasshopper. So you need the bed, lay over. Oh, make a diamond shape with your legs and get ready for pose up 1 and 2 and 3. Squeeze your booty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh God, I'm dying. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And rest. Oh God. Okay, nice job. Now we're gonna lay down on the bed. You can do this on your bed or on the just on the ground. It's up to you. From here, we're gonna be doing leg raises this way. Ready, and 1 with control. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Holy moly, we have to switch sides. My legs are so heavy. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Holy moly. Last one on the bed. Again, a little bit over. We're doing hamstring curls here. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Standing again. We have side raises now. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, I'm dying, 18, 19, 20. Oh God. Okay, this is the last exercise on each leg. So I'm gonna be in T pose, extend your leg, and from here give me pulses. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, switch. Switch the other leg and we are done. Last 20 reps. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh God. Well done everyone. Yay! We are done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this workout. Now you can go and enjoy your day. Be good, feel good, stay active. I'm gonna see you next time.